Welcome to Ecosystem Services F2 Evidence Level. In this video, we'll be looking at how to insert data for the F2 evidence level for Ecosystem Services indicators. Take note that all provisioning and regulating indicators use the same method. In this tutorial, we'll be using water quality regulation as an example. Select the F2 evidence level. Upload your compiled data if available using the top right button shown here. For this tutorial, we'll be using the F2 mock data file under Ecosystem Services. The data should appear on the left column. Click here to edit the data for each spatial unit or SU. If the demand for the spatial unit in that month is not met, tick the non-compliant checkbox. You may add further time steps for other months of the spatial unit as well. That is all for the F2 evidence level. Thank you and see you again.